that's Rand in the little contraption. And that's Josh, aka Country Boy Excavating, in the big one. And Josh pulled out all these trees to make room for the house site. Should have brought the chainsaw today, I suspect. So we have broken ground. And I've been working over here, pulling up all these little pine trees. You can see back there, there's still some more. Trying to get all the pines pulled out, make room for the hardwood, and kind of open it up a little bit. And all those pines right there, those will all be gone as well. We'll walk down here and see what's going on. I think Rand's actually having fun. I tell you what, these big machines amaze me on what they can accomplish in a short period of time. I think Rand and Josh got out here about noon today. He said that rock is going to be a problem. I see that it is. But anyway, today we broke ground. And I don't even know what the date is, to be honest. Somewhere around the 15th, I think, of May, I believe. I don't know. I don't pay much attention to the date anymore. Just glad to be blessed with another day.